Good morning, students. I welcome you all to digital classes of our college website. Now these are going to be a series of lecture for the students of class 12, as I am planning to head towards the completion of your syllabus, and today I'll take up a poem with you all. The title of the poem is From the Passing of Arthur by Alfred Lord Tennyson. It's a beautiful poem and has a multi-dimensional aspect, and it teaches us some things which are important for us to know as we proceed in life. Let us see the preface of the poem. Alfred Lord Tennyson was a great poet. He was born at Somersby in Lincolnshire, England in the year 1809. He got his education at home and at Trinity College, Cambridge. There he became friend of a fellow student. His name was Arthur Henry Hallam. His friend died in 1833 and Tennyson was extremely shocked by his death. He expressed his deep sorrow for his friend in his elegy. In memoriam, Tennyson was one of the most popular poets of the Victorian age. After the death of Wordsworth, he was appointed Poet Laureate. He died in the year 1892. Now, what is this poem about? This poem presents an account of King Arthur's end of life. What is it all about? It is about King Arthur and the time when his reign had come to an end, and he was in a very bad condition. He was badly wounded and injured, and that was a time that a little conversation took place between these two people. The whole poem and the concept of the poem is based on that, and regarding that, keeping that in mind, the poet has given us a little message. The king is wounded. The king advises his favorite knight, Sir Bedivere, not to be sad because change is the law of nature. We must have faith in God. We must pray to Him. The old orders change and new orders take place. God is omnipresent. That is, change is the law of nature. And whatever the system, whatever the order is there, it has to change, because change prevails as a part of one's life. It is a part of nature. It is a rule that has been implemented by God, and we as humans have to realize and we have to accept the change that takes place, and we should also know that God is omnipresent. So what is the whole poem all about? This poem has been taken from Tennyson's longer poem, Morte d'Arthur. King Arthur had started the system of knighthood of Round Table. The knights helped the weak and saved them from the wicked people. Sir Bedivere is king's loyal knight. The wounded King Arthur is going with his 3 queens on his journey to the island of Avilion. He advises Bedivere not to be sorry for the dissolution of the system of knighthood. Dissolution here means, children, the word dissolution here means coming to an end. The system which prevailed once, which was made by King Arthur, was now coming to an end, because this poem is describing how he lost the last battle. And in that last battle, he not only lost his kingdom, his reign came to an end, he was badly wounded, and the condition of the king was such that anybody could see and tell that he would not survive for long. So the system that he made was also coming to an end, and everybody was aware of that. And Sir Bedivere was a very, very faithful and loyal knight of the king, and he was very sad at that time when everything seemed that everything had come to an end and they had lost. So he advises him that change is necessary in this world. No law can continue in the world for a long time. So basically this is the theme of the poem, children. You will just go through the preface, you read about the poet, you read about the theme of the poem, and we will continue in our next class. We will very soon meet. Up till then, children, take care and goodbye.